4 products that change your face beyond recognition. You are what you eat, they say. You have probably heard this expression many times. Before you eat another cookie or drink another glass of wine, think about how it will reflect on your looks. We are going to show you how to understand which foods you like, perhaps too much, just by looking at your face. 4. Wine face. Look attentively at your face in the mirror and decide if you have the following: obvious wrinkles or spots on the nose bridge, swollen eyelids, small wrinkles under the eyes, dehydrated and wrinkly skin on the cheeks, dilated skin pores, reddened skin, deep smile lines. You do? Then you have a wine face. The thing is, apart from large amounts of sugar, wine sometimes contains pesticides and sulfides, causing alcohol to dehydrate you. Your body loses water, your liver is overloaded, and your digestion may fail the next day, so your skin will look wrinkly, red, and hanging. In the long run, alcohol abuse may disrupt the work of bowel bacteria and cause various diseases. If you compare 2 people of the same age, one who has been drinking steadily for 15 to 20 years and the other who hasn't drunk at all, will you see the difference in the quality of their skin? At first glance, in the first case, a person's face will bear more wrinkles and other signs of dehydration, while the second person will look much younger. What is saddest, as soon as you destroy the collagen your skin contains, it will be next to impossible to recover its former level. What to do? Give up alcohol for at least 3 weeks. This is ample time for your skin to recover, and then apply the rule of 20-80. This means you allow yourself a glass of wine or 2 in 20% of cases while refusing in the other 80%. 3. Milk face. Maybe these bother you. Swollen eyelids, bags and dark circles under the eyes, frequent pimples and acne, sunken cheeks, pimples on the chin. In this case, you suffer from a milk face. This problem can appear even if you don't consume milk, glass after glass every day. Milk added to your coffee or another bowl of ice cream may seriously affect your facial skin color, even if you aren't lactose intolerant. We lose a lot of lactose metabolizing enzymes with age, and it provokes inflammations all over the body, including the face. The scheme is the following. Cow milk contains a hormone with the name IGF-1. It is the hormone of growth, which is necessary for a calf. However, for an adult human, it's not so beneficial. IGF-1 consumption results in inflammation that later leads to acne, swellings, and unappealing redness. When you drink milk, your level of insulin spikes, and as a consequence, the liver produces more IGF-1. More hormone, more acne, it's a never-ending circle. Another problem with dairy products is that they make the skin produce more oil. That's why you might have clogged pores and resulting pimples. If you notice your face becoming swollen and sleepy, with acne bothering you, give up on all dairy for a few weeks to see the difference in your looks. 2. Sugar face. If under your scrutiny the mirror has revealed deep and small wrinkles on the upper forehead, bags under the eyes, thinning of the skin, weary look, pale or grayish skin, or pitted scars and acne all over the face, the most probable explanation is that you have a sugar face. Sugar affects not only your weight, but your skin as well. It accelerates glycation, the process by which excess glucose molecules link with collagen, damaging it and making it rigid. This makes your skin age faster, cause wrinkles to appear, and disrupts pigmentation. Let's look at this evil chain. You eat a nice sugary treat. Your insulin level rises. It causes inflammation in your body. The results of this inflammation are enzymes being released, which damage and destroy elastin and collagen. And there you go. Your mirror makes you upset, showing wrinkles and sagging skin. There is one more risk for your skin connected with sugar. If you eat a lot of this product, your body develops a resistance to insulin. Such resistance can reveal itself in excess hair growth, along with patches of dark skin in the creases of your body and on the neck. The only way to preserve the health of your skin is to cut down on sugar, and not just for a couple of weeks, but permanently. 1. Gluten face. Now, do you see? Forehead acne, swollen red cheeks, cheek acne, swollen face contour, acne and dark patches on the skin? What you are dealing with is gluten face. All these symptoms may signify that your body is incapable of metabolizing gluten, a protein contained in wheat, rye, oats, barley, and drinks that come from them: beer, whiskey, vodka, etc. Gluten has the unfortunate ability to make your intestines, so to say, leaky. This means that they start to let undigested particles of food enter your bloodstream. As soon as this happens, the body gets alarmed, and an immune response is provoked into action. It causes an inflammation of such skin conditions as acne. Check if you have gluten intolerability by excluding the products containing it for 2 to 3 weeks and watching your skin. If you notice that your skin looks better, try to replace gluten with almond or coconut flour. Other alternatives to food rich in gluten are brown rice, millet, and quinoa. But if the symptoms persist after 2 weeks, then it's some other kind of tolerability failure. However, you should still cut down on simple carbs and baked foods. Along with checking if you overindulge in any of these products and following these tips, you can improve the condition of your skin by making simple masks. Homemade mask against dark circles. What you will need: 1 medium potato, extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. How to prepare. First of all, peel the potato and grate it. Mix this with the honey and some olive oil, enough to get a more or less homogeneous paste. Apply this paste to the area under the eyes and let it stay for about 30 minutes. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Do this procedure twice a week, and the results will genuinely surprise you. Dark circles and bags under your eyes will fade, and the skin will become nourished and smooth. The miracle in this case happens due to vitamin A, antioxidants, and beta-carotene contained in the potatoes. They have just what your skin needs. As for olive oil, it does wonders when the problem is dark circles. This oil moisturizes the skin, gets rid of wrinkles, and even heals acne. Honey, in turn, serves as a natural moisturizer as well. What is more, it nourishes and cleanses the skin. That's why the combination of these ingredients is so potent. DIY Acne Face Mask. What you will need: 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. How to prepare. Mix these 2 ingredients in a bowl until you get a nice blend. If you feel that it is too thick, add some more honey. Dampen your face and put this mixture on it using your fingers. It should stay this way for no less than 15 minutes. After you wash it off with tepid water, apply some lemon juice. You can dilute it with water or apple cider vinegar mixed with distilled water. 1 part vinegar, 2 parts water. Use this mask every day or every other day, and your problem will steadily become less prominent. We have already spoken about the benefits of honey for your skin. Surprisingly, cinnamon has similar qualities. Apple cider vinegar unclogs skin pores. Also, it successfully dissolves the cells of the dead skin. Facial mask for reddened skin. What you will need: 2 tablespoons of plain natural yogurt, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 3 teaspoons of dry oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of honey, strong green tea. How to prepare. Mix all the ingredients, add about 4 tablespoons of well-brewed green tea. Add some more tea if the paste was too thick. Stir it carefully to make sure it is all mixed. Then spread it on the face and leave for 10 or 15 minutes. Wash it off with tepid water, and don't rub the face with the towel. Pat dry it. Do such a mask 2 times a week. This way, it is the most effective. Yogurt and honey moisturize, soothe, and nourish the skin. The apple cider vinegar stabilizes the pH of the skin. And the oatmeal decreases the irritation and redness. You can find many more recipes of simple homemade masks in our other videos. The links to them will appear in several seconds. How do you deal with the problems appearing on your face? Write to us in the comments and share your experience. Don't forget to click subscribe and join us on the bright side of life.